Good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine, very good. So a very refreshed morning, a new day and something new to learn. Isn't it? Great. So you all are well prepared to begin with today's classes? Taken all your seats well prepared? Check, set, go? Wow. So class, can anyone tell me what is the date? So you all might have enjoyed your yesterday's holiday. Very good. So today is 5th November 2020. What is the date? 5th November 2020 and the day is Thursday. What is the day today? Thursday. So what are we going to do? We are going to begin our classes with English. Isn't it? English period hai. You all might be having your English notebook, book set on your tables. Wow. So can anyone tell me what are we doing in English? Yes, what ma'am is teaching you? We are learning cursive alphabets. Yes. So we all are aware of alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So what are these? These all are alphabets. So you all remember that beautiful alphabetical rhyme? Wanna sing once? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, it's a beautiful alphabetical rhyme. We all know that. And with this rhyme, along with this rhyme, we all know how to write capital alphabets in a proper series, or you can say in a proper sequence. है ना? आपको A to Z लिखना sequence में भी आ गया है. Now we are learning how to write cursive alphabets. How we can write small letters in cursive form. This is what ma'am is teaching you. Until now, we have completed A. A says A. B. B says B. C. C says K. D. D says D. E. E says E. F. F says F. G. G says go. So we have completed 7 alphabets till now. Is it? Today ma'am is going to teach you the next alphabet, that is H. So when we write capital alphabet H, how we do that? Let's see on the board once. So whenever we are writing capital alphabets, from where we begin? We begin from the top red line. Very good class. So from this point, I'll draw one standing line. After that, one sleeping line and one more standing line. So class, are you able to see? Ma'am ne correct likha hai. Is it correct? I have written. Yes. So this is our capital alphabet H. Clear? Now, we have different objects related to alphabet H and you all know that. But to understand the sound of alphabet H, the beginning sound, what sound the alphabet H has, हम क्या करेंगे? We are going to write the name of these objects. Plus, ma'am is also going to discuss some more pictures or some more objects with you. And when we will discuss, one after the other we'll discuss, and what we'll do, we'll write the names here. So when ma'am is writing the names, when we are speaking about them, just listen carefully and you will able to understand what is the sound of alphabet H. Clear? So how we pronounce this alphabet? H. How we call it? H. And the sound is what we are going to learn now. Now, can anyone tell me what is this? We wear on our head. ऐसे head पे पहनते हैं, or you can say magicians, they use it. Abracadabra, gilly gilly chew. And there comes out a dove rabbit. I don't know what all things come out of it. You have seen that? Great. So now tell me, what is it? It's a hat. Great. So I'll write the name here. How I'm writing it, see? Hat. Now, when I have written it, just pronounce with me. Hat. Say with me. Hat. Now, when you are repeatedly saying the word hat, hat, what sound is coming out? You have to listen that sound carefully. Clear? Now, moving to the next picture. What is this? What is this? What is this? What do we call it? It's a hand. Yes. What we finger is if we count 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 are fingers. But if I talk about the whole, ye pura, what is it? It's a hand. So when we are spelling it, when we are speaking it, again listen carefully the sounds that are coming. What am I saying? Hand. So I am writing that here. Now, when I have written hat and hand, what is the similarity? दोनों में same क्या है? The beginning sound. Here I am saying it. Here also this is the same alphabet. Hat, hand. Okay, what picture is this? Can you tell me what is this? It's a hut. Again, just listen carefully and when you are speaking it, जब मैम आपको एक word बोल रहे हैं, try to speak that word again and again and you will understand this sound. Clear? So what is this? It's a hut. So I'll write here hut. Now again it is beginning from the same alphabet. See? This alphabet is same. This alphabet is also here. I have written it here also. So now we are going to speak all the names together. Hat. Hat. Hand. Heart. Now what are these we have? You all have this on your head? Head. So one more word we have heard. Head. I'll write that. So head. Again we have the same alphabet here. Now what we have on head? Hair. Yes, we have hair. I'll write that. Hair. Okay. Now we are going to revise all the words once again. So what we have here is hat, hand, heart, head, hair. Now what is this? Yes, it is used by carpenters or sometimes you will find it with cobblers. And they use when they want to fix a nail. Nail मतलब कील को fix करने के लिए, किसी चीज में fix करने के लिए when they need to fix a nail, जब हमें nail को fix करना होता है, we use it. ये वाला nail नहीं, the iron nail जिसको हम कील बोलते हैं, उसको fix करने के लिए we use this. What is it? Hammer. Yes, हथौड़ी सुनी है आपने? You might have seen. It's a tool made of iron. ये वाला जो part होता है, it is very heavy iron. And this hand portion, the one which we hold in the hand, is made of wood. So this particular, it's a tool. एक तरह का tool होता है, and we call it hammer. What we call it? Hammer. So I'll write that. Now again, I have written the same alphabet. So we have head, hair. Now when you get some gifts, it's your birthday, festive time. So what we are always? We are always happy. Yes. So again we have a word happy. all, we are going to speak about all these words. What they are? Hat, hand, hut, head, hair, happy, hammer. Okay, can anyone tell me the name of the animal who makes a sound? Nee, nee. You all are doing animals these days in EVS. So who's the animal makes the sound? Nee, nee. It's a horse. Very good. So when we are saying horse, again, see here. Now class, it's time to tell what is the sound of this beginning alphabet. See, we are discussing about lot of things we have here. Can anyone tell me what is the similarity in all these words? The similarity is beginning sound. Now look carefully here. Whatever names I have written, hammer, horse, happy, hair, head, hut, hand, hat, or we have hen. So what is the similarity? The beginning sound. इसकी जो first sound है, जब हम इन pictures का नाम बोल रहे हैं, so we are pronouncing the same sound in the beginning. That is her. Her, hat. Now see, understand it? Hat. Her sound आ रही है आपके mouth से. Then we have hand. Again, her. Then we have hut. Again, her sound is coming. Head. Her head. Her hair. Her happy. Her horse. Her hammer. So what we have understood? We have understood that the sound of alphabet H is her. So what is the sound of alphabet H? It is her. You all must have learned her se hathi, her se hal in your Hindi class, isn't it? So this is that her is the sound of alphabet H. Clear all? आपका जो ये वाला व्यंजन है ह व्यंजन, जिससे आपने सीखा ह से हाथी, ह से हल, ह से हाथ. So what is that? That her sound is the sound of alphabet H. Clear everyone? So H says her head, her hand, her hat. Understood? Very good. Now let us see how to write cursive alphabet H. So how we are going to do? Again, all the cursive letters to be begin from the lower blue line. So these dots are clearly visible, isn't it? So how we are going to do? Now we are going to start the formation of alphabet from this particular dot. इस dot से begin करेंगे because I told you all the cursive alphabets will begin from the lower blue line. Lower मतलब नीचे वाले blue line से. And capital alphabets always begin from the first red line. Clear? ये चीजों को आप बिल्कुल clear रखिए. Don't get confused. If it is capital letter, you have to begin from the first red line. But if you are writing cursive alphabet, you have to begin from the second blue line, or you can say the lower blue line. Clear? Now, how to begin? Go up, come down. आपको याद है हमने अल्फाबेट B सीखा था, B B, उसी की तरह है come down and like this. अब देखिए कैसे जाएंगे. First go up, turn around and come down. After coming down, आपको ऊपर जो first blue line है वहां तक दोबारा इसी लाइन के ऊपर से जाना है. How? Like this. दोबारा and from here like this and make a turn. Understood? See here once again. Come down, go up and like this. So this is your cursive alphabet H. Clear? H says her. So what is the sound of alphabet some A है, hen. Then we have happy. We have horse. Clear? Now once again how to write cursive H? Like this. Come down. Go up once again and turn around. Clear? So this is your cursive alphabet H. Now what is the work we are going to do in book today? So in book you are going to do page number 30 and 31. I'll write here book page number 30 and 31. So these are the two pages you are going to do your work as classwork, and homework is we are going to practice writing cursive alphabet H in notebook. Let's see how we are going to do that. Okay, beta? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's homework in notebook. Clear? So the very first thing we are going to do is we are going to write today's date. So what is that? Today is 5th November 2020. So this is our today's date. After writing the date, don't forget to mention HW because this is your homework. Now, first can you tell me what is this? Capital H. H says her. Her hat. Her hat. Her hammer. So these are the three pictures that I have drawn. You can draw any picture of your choice, but please don't forget to draw the pictures because with picture it is very easy to identify the alphabet and you will able to associate also. Make sure you yourself draw these pictures. Don't ask your parents to draw for you. Okay? Now H says her. Now how we are going to write this alphabet in notebook? As I told you, we have to begin from this particular point, isn't it? So how we are going to do that? Go up, turn around, come back, then again like this. So this is your cursive alphabet H. And this is how you are going to write your alphabet in notebook. Understood everyone? Like this you will write your alphabet H in notebook. H says her. And please don't make a hurry for doing this work. Take your time but just see the formation carefully. ऐसे धीरे धीरे ही करना है आपको. And do your formation properly. Like this you will write your alphabet H. H says her. her sound alphabets her sound के pictures के कुछ objects के name बताएंगे आप मुझे? Her hat, then we have her hand. Yes, we have hand. So we use our hand for holding pencil and doing our work. Then we have her hen. Then we have her hair. So you all are having hair? Very good. Her head. Hair कहाँ पे होते हैं? Head पे होते हैं ना? So this is how you are going to write your alphabet H in notebook. Clear? So complete this page is to be done. And whatever picture you are drawing, don't forget to color them also. Okay, bachcha? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to write your cursive alphabet H in notebook. So after this alphabet, in the next class, we are going to practice all from E to H also. Clear? With one more new alphabet, but practice work will be E to H. Understood everyone? Bye for now. Take care and get ready for the next class.